Hey subscribers, Tracy here, giving you a quick first look at our November kit and taking a look at the add-on dies. We have got this one here which is called Rose Script. Sorry, just zooming in on that one there. It's a beautiful die. It is $22. And this one here which is called Ornate Keys, and that one's $18.80. Sorry, I don't have the originals there. I haven't even landed yet. And this one here is one that's included in the kit, and it is these beautiful wings, but that one's in the kit, so you don't have to add that one on. Quick look at the kit. We're using the Ladylike collection from Kaisercraft this month. It's a beautiful collection, and this is that rose die. So the girls have used that quite extensively. Obviously, these are the beautiful wings in the kit. Tanya Ridgewell has used it. Beautiful, beautiful dies. This is the laser cut. A number of girls have used that, so you may want to add some more of those on. It's such a gorgeous collection. Another one of Tanya's with that beautiful die as well. So the keys are beautiful as well. You can see here, there's the gorgeous keys. Another one of Tanya's. More of Tanya's. Lots of layouts. Yvette has done like a whole bunch of layouts. She only needed to do 2 and she loved it so much she did like 4 or 5. This is the top of those gorgeous keys. I love this layout with all those circles. Isn't it effective? Anyway, just going to quickly flick through the rest of these again with the laser cut. This is the die that's in the kit, and we will be needing your add-ons by Tuesday next week. Quick look at some of the cards, not all of them. Another one of the laser cuts, the beautiful scripted die, and some of the keys in there as well. We're packing your kits Tuesday, sending them out. This is a cute little easel card by Candy. So beautiful. Candy's done some amazing cards. Anyway guys, so these are all here and ready, and they are shipping next on the 5th, but we are packing them next Tuesday and Wednesday. If you could get it to us ASAP, that'd be fantastic. Thank you. Bye.